we're here now at Pan Pacific and we're just waiting for Dad to come down, and then we're going to do lunch and then we'll walk around the city and tour Nina around. So yeah, the Uber driver was really nice and he had a lot of lollies in there, which was good because I kept eating the Mentos. But anyways, yeah, there's Mom. Mommy! Hi! She's like, hi! Yeah, which is good because I don't like it when the Uber rides don't have that much lollies. But this one had heaps. I took a whole handful. Thank you, Uber driver. There's Daddy! Hi, Dad!
Hey, how are you?
He's... May event kayo?
Ha? Oo, busy ako. Yeah, right. Teka.
Where are we going?
Dito, restaurant.
Just here at the poolside, checking out Pan Pacific Pool, and this is what it looks like. I told Dad if it was heated, fully checked it, and it's not heated at all. But yeah, there's Mom. Mom, mahulog ka dyan. And there's Dad, just showing some plan. But yeah, this is Pan Pacific, and there's the city. Talon na lang, talon na po. And we are just walking now here at Perth City, just showing you guys around. This is like the Supreme Court museum, law museum right there, and there's like these kangaroo statues here. That's the council house, and that usually lights up at night time. And yeah, this is just like a little park that goes around here. We're actually going to head out to the bell tower, and yeah, there's Ninam. I'm gonna take a photo of Ninam. Smile, Ninam. Springtime, so all the flowers are all nice and blooming. We're hopefully going to go to like a botanical garden, hopefully sometime this week. But yeah, just walking around. We're going to there, which is the bell tower here in Perth City, and Mom wants to take a photo, so we are getting closer to the bell tower now, and this is what it looks like here. That is the Perth famous bell tower, and there's some construction going on here. I'm not quite sure what they're building. And then if we go straight down there a little bit more, there's Elizabeth Quay. But yeah, we're just walking around slowly, taking our time, taking pictures. And this is still part of like Perth City. And yeah, usually here they always have the fireworks or like Australia Day kind of things. This is where they usually have it. But yes, that is the bell tower. I'm pretty sure you can like catch a lift or something. I'm not sure if you can pay or anything. I've never really been up there yet, but we'll try, see how we go and check it out. And here's the bell tower. Look, they have love locks here. All different kinds. All around here near the bell tower. You can like order it or purchase one and put a love lock on here. Pretty cool. You can just go around all around area. All different types of love locks here. Also one on here, let's see what it costs. And I'm not sure if we're going to go inside. Did you want to go inside? Đúng, phải lên đi nào. Sydney Tower to.
pala ito. Alam mo, bababa lang siya. Nalula na. Ha? Nalula na.
We're here now at the observation deck on level 6. We're inside the bell tower and we're just going to check it out. Here's the view. Ayan na Ninang. Go.
Ako dito.
Hey, nalula na ako.
Ano ka? Ano ka lang?
So we're here now on the observation deck. And it's really scary. So I'm not scared of heights. But it's not even that high, but I don't want to look down. Ma, doon ka ba? Mabigat tayong dalawa. And this is one river. And
Bebe, tsaka.
I don't really want to go around the whole observation. So I'm scared of heights. So I'm going to go around and show you guys. This is Elizabeth Key. There's a little bit of construction going on, but this is pretty new. That is Elizabeth Key area, and they usually have like a food market there during when they have that really like night markets. That's where they have it. And this is just Perth City, and we're just going around in a circle and I'm getting a little bit scared. So I'm not going to look down because I'm freaking scared. I don't like heights, but yes, it's going around, and we made it to the other side. Ah. And there's Nina. Nang, smile. So this is what the bells look like inside the bell tower, and I think these are the ones that ring. I think there's like 18 of them, I'm not quite sure. Oh well, there's the bell chambers. How many is there? 16 bells. I think that's how it goes. Oh, something's in it.
Welcome to the Bell Tower, located in Perth, Western Australia. The tower, which stands
Mommy.
100 metres in height, is home to swan bells that dance the nearby Swan River. The Bell Tower is one of the largest.
And this is Elizabeth Key area. This is fairly new. I think it was just opened last year, I think it was. And yeah, there we go. We're here now in Perth City, and this is what the city looks like, and they have like a little display here of umbrellas. And yeah, here's Perth City. Saan ba yun ba? Call this like little London town, but that's what everyone calls it. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but yeah, it's just like this little space here. It has little shops, little cafes, little souvenir shops, etc. Some antique pieces as well. And we're just gonna walk through to go straight down out there to the other side of St. George's Terrace. So yeah, just walking around. And there's Mom and where's Mom? Ma! So we're just walking down to St. George's Terrace and go back to Pan Pacific and just wait for Dad. That's where Miles going to be. And this one is Duxton Hotel. I remember I did an interview there and it was pretty intense because there was like 3 people panel interview at once shooting questions at me. It was not fun at all. But yeah, that is Duxton Hotel. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep walking straight down here until we get to Pan Pacific, where we will chill and have coffee again at Dad's work. There's There's Mommy now. Kaya pa nang?
Diyan na eh. Hirap na. Diyan na eh.
So we're here now at just near the boat shed. So this is the other side of the river. Remember how earlier on we were over there? That's where like the bell tower was and everything. We're just on the other side now, and yeah, it's sunset right now, so it's very pretty. And this is actually really pretty when it's nighttime, when it's all lit up. All the hotels and everything and the buildings are all lit up. Very pretty at night. Me and Habab celebrate our anniversary right there at the boat shed, just that one. Really nice restaurant. We celebrated our anniversary there last year. It's actually closed at the moment. They're not open till Wednesday. They're usually Wednesday nights, Wednesday to Sunday, so we can't eat there right now. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys a view, and that is Perth City. So pretty. And there's like little boats and stuff here. My car. There's Mom, Dad, Nina, baby, and there's hubby right there in the hut.